Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are ready to take your trading game to the next level, then this video is for you, okay? We are just going to be talking about the Absolute Price Oscillator, or APO for short. Okay, I'm going to add the APO to the chart right away. Okay, I'm just going to So this is the Absolute Price Oscillator. Okay, now it's a fantastic tool for measuring momentum, all right, and trend strength. Okay, so whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to use the APO can improve your analysis and help you make better trading decisions. All right, so basically in this video we're just going to be breaking down what the Absolute Price Oscillator is and how it works. We're also going to be talking about how to use it for trend confirmation and spotting potential reversals. We're also going to talk about best settings for different trading styles and pro tips on how to get the most out of the APO. So make sure to smash that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable trading content. Now let's just quickly get started, okay? First things first, let's break down what the Absolute Price Oscillator actually is. Now, the Absolute Price Oscillator is a technical indicator that measures the difference between two moving averages of an asset's price. Now, unlike many other indicators, the APO gives a clear view of price momentum by looking at the difference in the movement of these averages. Okay, the idea behind the APO is to help you spot trends and momentum shifts by comparing the behavior of two different moving averages. Now, the APO gives you insights into whether momentum is increasing or decreasing, okay, which is crucial for determining if a trend is gaining strength or if it's starting to fizzle out. So how does it work? Well, the APO subtracts one moving average from another. Typically, the fast moving average is subtracted from the slow moving average. The result is a line. You can see this line, right? This line is just what you see, right? But there are things happening behind the scenes. So the result is actually a line that oscillates around zero. You can see that we have a zero level around here, this black horizontal line, the zero mark. So the line oscillates around it, showing you positive or negative momentum in the market. So it's as easy as that. Using the indicator is quite easy, right? Now, you might be wondering, why should I use the APO in my trading? Now, here's how it helps. The first is for trend confirmation. Now, the APO can be used to confirm whether a trend is strong or weak. When the APO line is above zero, it indicates positive momentum and the market is in an uptrend. As you can see, we can see that when the APO line was above, you can see it was an uptrend all the way here until when it crossed down. Here again, you can see what happened. When it dropped down, it shows that there was bearish momentum. Here again, you can see what happened. And when it dropped down, it shows that there was bearish momentum. So basically, when the APO line is above zero, it shows it's above zero, it shows positive momentum. But when it is below zero, it shows negative momentum, in case that the market is in a downtrend. Now, a key thing to remember is that the further the APO line is from zero, the stronger the trend. So if the APO line is far from zero, it shows a strong trend. All right. And if the line is close to zero, it suggests the trend is weak or consolidating, as you can see on the chart. This was when the APO was far, and you can see how strong the buy move was. You can see this one, the price is just consolidating, and the APO was just very close to the zero line. Also, you can use the APO to spot reversals. Okay? It's a fantastic tool for spotting potential reversals. If you see the APO cross from positive to negative or from negative to positive, it could be an early warning of a trend change. Now, these crossovers give you signals to adjust your trading positions before the market fully reverses, okay? And you can also use this indicator for divergence analysis. Like many other oscillators, the APO is also great for spotting divergences between price action and the indicator itself. For example, if the price is making new highs, but the APO is not following suit and starts to decline, it may be a signal that the trend is weakening and a reversal could be on the horizon. The same applies to the downside. When the price is making new lows, but the APO is not confirming it. All right, it could be that a bullish reversal is about to happen. Now, these divergences are incredibly useful for anticipating trend changes before they fully happen. All right, now that we understand what the APO is and how it can help, let's talk about how to use it effectively in your trading. Now, the first thing is to choose the right moving averages. Okay, so one of the first decisions you make is which moving averages to use in your APO calculation. Okay, sorry about that. Just gonna have to load it again. So we can see here that you can actually adjust the settings for, the indicators that the moving averages, sorry, that you want to use for the calculation. You can see the short EMA is set to 10, the long EMA is set to 20. So you can adjust it, you can adjust it according to your own taste. All right. One of the common choices are 12 period for the length short EMA and 26 period for the length long EMA. Okay, so because they provide a good balance between short term and long term trends. You can also experiment with longer or shorter periods depending on your trading style. Okay, if you are a scalper or a day trader, you might want to use shorter periods like maybe 5:15. Yeah, 5:15. If you're a swing trader, you can try longer period like 20:50. Okay, so depending on your trading style, basically. And then the key to reading the APO is understanding the zero line. All right, when the APO is above zero, it indicates upward momentum and confirms that buyers are in control. When the APO is below zero, it indicates downward momentum and the sellers are taking over. The further the APO line is from zero, like I mentioned, it shows that the trend is stronger. So a big gap between the two moving averages shows that the trend is very strong. All right. Now, the most common way traders use the APO is for entry and exit signals. If you're trading with the trend, you can enter a buy position when the APO crosses above zero, and you can exit when it crosses below zero. All right, so this is a simple, effective method to catch trend moves, right? Then for more advanced traders, you can also look for APO crossovers to spot trend changes early. For example, if the APO crosses from negative to positive while the price is in a downtrend, it could be a sign that the trend is about to reverse. Okay, like you can see what happened here. You can see that this was a downtrend, right? And you can see that around this point, the APO crossed from down to up. And after that crossover happened, you can see what happened next. You can see that we actually had the price go up, right? We had the price go up. Now, let's talk about, the best settings for different trading styles. Okay, so for short-term traders, right? For short-term traders, a faster setting like 5:10, can help you catch smaller price swings. Okay, and of course, you're going to use it on smaller time frames, obviously. And then for medium-term traders or swing traders, you can try just using the 12-26 period moving averages, because these ones are ideal for capturing broader trends. Of course, you can use the hourly time frames for this. And then if you're a long-term trader focusing on major trends, you might want to use longer periods like 50 or 100, right? I want to use longer periods. All right, so this will help you to filter out noise and stay focused on the bigger picture. And that's a wrap on the Absolute Price Oscillator. This tool is incredibly helpful for identifying trends, momentum, and potential spotting potential reversals. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on trading tools and strategies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see other indicators covered in future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.